type tool. Bevel mount font. Object. Expand. Select object path. Offset path 10 pixel. Line segment selection tool. Select font. Adobe. Select red color. Line segment selection tool. Select stroke. Select that color. Go to Effect. 3D and Materials. Extrude and Bevel. Object. Inflate. Depth 10 pixel. Perspective 21 degrees. Materials. Roughness. .6. Metallic. 0.77. Lighting. Intensity 96%. Duration 115 degrees. Height 59 degrees. Softness 43%. Intensity 60%. Shadow on. Shadow bounds 90%. If you like this, subscribe once you know.